Hello students, one more assignment for you. In this assignment, I am creating this web page where we can see here one static image is there on left side, here another static image on right side, and center image is in large scale. This image comes from this line. As we can see here, this first image will be displayed onto this. Again, this image is here. Again, this cake image is here. Hence, we are displaying some images in this line, and the first image of this line will be displayed in large scale into this image source or image control. So I'm using here JavaScript, and I'm storing some food images. As we see here, this is the food project site, so we can use this page in our food related project. You can take any images as per your choice or as per your project requirement. I'm taking some food images here and storing them into JavaScript array, and one by one images I'm taking from JavaScript array and displayed into these image controls one by one. After every 2 seconds the image will be changed, or we can say the images are rotated. In this way you also create your own web page, and some dynamic changes are here in image source. Some shadow effect is also here, some rounded corners we see here. So if we go to the code of this page, this is the code. I am taking one JavaScript array. This is image array, and inside array I am storing all the images whatever I want, and one load image function I am creating here, and this load image function displays the images, different images after every 2 seconds. I am calling this same function load image after every 2 seconds. For this I am using set timeout JavaScript function. So this is the hint for you, and inside body I am using one division. This is upper side division, and this is lower side division, where smaller images are displayed at the footer side. Inside the footer I am taking some 8 images. You can use whatever your screen size according to. You can take that much images, that number of images. Then I am setting ID for each image, so that I refer a particular image by using get element by ID inside the JavaScript. As we see here, we are changing source of a particular ID of a control source inside JavaScript, and we find the control by using get element by ID, so that we need to store or we need to set ID for each image. Inside the upper side we see this is the static image at left side. This is also static image at right side, and center image is this, and this image will be rotated or changed after a particular time interval. I am using here 2 seconds. You can choose whatever time interval as per your requirement. So this is your assignment, and this page you can use inside your project. So do it by yourself, do it by your own. All the best. Thank you.